Welcome to the features video of PrestaShop Blog Module. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading PrestaShop development company having more than 140 modules in its catalog. Let's explore the top 5 features that make it a must-have. With the PrestaShop Blog Module, you can publish SEO-optimized blog posts, product reviews, and news. Utilize meta titles, keywords, and descriptions to climb those search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. Easily create and publish engaging blog posts using the built-in editor incorporating images and videos. It supports the organization of content into multiple categories for better navigation. Plus, you can schedule posts in advance and preview them before they go live. Foster a community around your brand with integrated Facebook and email comments. Keep visitors on your site longer by showcasing related products and posts within your blog content. Make it easy for readers to share your valuable content with integrated social sharing options. Tailor the look and feel of your blog with customizable layouts and themes. Enhance user experience with optional blocks like search categories, archives, and recent posts. You can also strategically place banners with links, connect your social media profiles, and even integrate RSS feeds. Our module is easy to install with a user-friendly interface and requires no coding. It integrates directly into your PrestaShop store, allowing you to manage your blog and e-commerce platform in one place. Now, let's take a look at the front-end demo. Here you can see how your blog will appear to your visitors. Notice the clean and professional layout. The ability to browse categories, read recent posts, and even blog search. You can also see how images and videos enhance the content. You'll observe that each post can display the number of likes, comments, and views it has received, providing social proof and highlighting popular content. Importantly, you have the option to add call to action buttons to specific products or offers within your posts. Furthermore, you can display related products directly within the blog posts, encouraging further engagement and potential purchases. You will also find a dedicated photo gallery section, either as a separate page or a block, where users can view collections of uploaded images. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us on our website.